everyone, it's Abby Andrew and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over a couple of my favorite summer looks, and of course it's going to include wigs. Some of these styles are brand new wigs from one of our collections, the Alexander Couture Collection that was just released this month, including this wig, which is Zara in the color Melted Marshmallow. I'll be showing you some longer styles, and also ways to wear longer styles to help keep cool in the hot summer months, and of course some short styles, which are a great option to help keep cool as well. For this first look, I went with one of my favorite trends at the moment, which is puff sleeve tops. Puff sleeves have been filling my collection lately, both in dresses and in shirts. And with this particular top, it's a crop top, so I also liked to wear it with a pair of high-waisted jeans. You can't really see the bottom of these jeans, but another trend that I'm rocking in this video is also the bell bottoms. Bell bottoms are kind of making a comeback, and I am jumping on that trend full force. So I really loved the look of this puff sleeve top with the bell bottom jeans. As for the wig, I chose to go with the wig Royce in the color Milk Tea LR, which is a fantastic, long, beautiful wig from the Amore Collection. With the combination of the puff sleeves and the beautiful long hair, it really kind of gives princess vibes, which I absolutely love. The way I chose to wear the hair with this outfit was to tie it back in a half ponytail just to kind of keep the hair a little bit lighter for the hot summer months. Of course, summer dresses and skirts are always in style, but if you want to do a little spin on that, you can also try out wearing rompers. And with this particular romper, floral patterns are always in style for the summer. Between the light floral colors and this nice breathable fabric, this is a great look for the warmer months as well. As for the wig, I chose to go with the wig Zara in the color Melted Marshmallow. This is one of the new releases from the Alexander Couture Collection that just came out this month. Such a gorgeous beachy wave style. And of course, it's on the shorter side, and for me, I tend to wear shorter wigs during the summer because it does just kind of keep the heat off of the back of your neck, and this wig is just very light and breathable. And for my third and final look, I did choose to go with a longer wig because just because it's warm out doesn't mean that you can't still wear the longer wigs. I still love wearing my long hair in the summer months. You can also choose to tie it back into a ponytail. This particular wig is the wig Alexandra, which is another new release from the Alexander Couture Collection this month in the color Crimson LR. Beautiful style, beautiful color. For this look, I kept it a bit on the more simple side with this really cute blue mini skirt and a nice black cropped tee. And this skirt is actually a skirt, which I always love because then you can be active and not worry about the skirt. I love the way these curls look with this outfit, and also with synthetic wigs, the beauty of that is that the wig will hold its curls, so you don't have to worry about the hair getting frizzy in the summer heat. The curls will always stay perfect. However, if it is a particularly hot day and you want to wear your longer hair, but you want to just keep it a little bit lighter, you can also choose to tie it back into a ponytail just to keep that hair off the back of your neck. And of course, you can always just use a regular hair tie to do this. Just be gentle with the hair as you're pulling it through the hair tie. But again, short hairstyles are a fantastic option for the really hot months. So I also wanted to show you what this outfit looked like with this gorgeous wig called Pretty Pixie. For the hot summer months, all of our different pixie cut looks are a fantastic option just to keep that hair off of the back of your neck and still having a really cute hairstyle to go with your outfits. This particular one is a limited edition piece from René of Paris called Pretty Pixie in the color Creamy Toffee R. Such an adorable, cute pixie cut. And of course, Pretty Pixie is just one of many of our pixie cut options through all of our different lines. So if you do choose to rock the really short hair this summer, you have plenty of options to check out from all of our lines, which you can also check out on reneofparis.com. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you got some great tips and different looks that you can wear this summer, and I'm really happy to be able to show you some of the new looks that were just released from the Alexander Couture Collection. Whether you choose to rock the longer hair this summer or the shorter hair, just have fun with it and put your own spin on whatever you choose to do. Comment below which look was your favorite and which wig was your favorite. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to our Instagram to stay up to date on all our latest releases, giveaways, and wig tips and tutorials. And thank you all so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.